Hi guys, welcome to Cartex. A lot of you guys ask me how to clean your rear camera on the ID.5, so I'll show you in a minute. Really easy. At first you need the car to put it in reverse. Then you get the camera. This car has the 360 degrees camera, so the area view function, really easy. You press this button and then this button, and as you see guys, it'll clean your camera. So again, this button and the spray icon on the right, and it's clean. So guys, the little camera with the little spray nozzle on it, I'll show you from the outside how it looks when you spray it. So guys, a short video this time, but a little how to use the spray function on the camera on the ID.5, because there's no rear wiper, so you can't press the wiper lever to use the rear wiper. Really easy. Please like, subscribe, and until next time guys.